you know that?
Say again?
So, do you know what? Saints and wizards, do you know what? They stick their tongues out, rattle like that, and also, that's how they fell. Crazy.
Oh, that's out of here?
They fell.
Smell?
Here.
Here.
And
Yeah.
see little dots on him? Those tiny little black dots and those little holes? See?
Yeah, yeah.
Those are actually his nose.
That's amazing.
Crazy.
It's so nice that you know so much about the snakes and the little animals and the insects. You like the bugs.
Earwig, earwig. Can you please eat an earwig for me? You're eating earwig. Aren't you hungry, buddy? Eat an earwig. Wait, that's a dead earwig, Susan. You don't have... Oh my gosh! It overflooded my dam for him.
Uh-oh.
Susan, get as much stir as you can.
Okay.
To measure how big snakes are. This is about like 40 feet, I think. 40 feet. What? Did you know my dad has a cake? I said, these guys got a little bit poisonous stuff.
No, they let out a kind of a stinky scent.
From where? Their skin?
It's usually from their vent, but it just deters predators trying to eat them because it smells.
Cool.
Cool hobby.
Yeah.
Huh? Cool. Let's take a picture for Connie.
You said
Nice.
been pretty calm. Watch him. Oh, man, he's going off. He's over there. Run on him?
Nope.
She left from me. She has a secret little entrance. You know what you know what I was actually gonna say?
What?
I was gonna say out. You know what? Yesterday this flooded, and then yesterday this flooded. Remember when it rained? It flooded this, and I saw a garfish pop its head up from diving underwater, and it caught a worm. It was like that. And he was actually about this, like this big. How big is 40 feet? Target, and then I found a baby bluebelly in the woods. A baby bluebelly.
Is that a salamander or a lizard?
That's a lizard.
A lizard.
A bluebelly.
Bluebell.
Say no. Hi, buddy. He likes me, see?
It does. She doesn't like something you're doing. Just pet her nicely. Just pet her on her back.
She wants to.
Don't tickle her tummy.
Sage, no. Sage, no. Don't bite her tail. No, I got your neck. No, I got your neck. Do you think I can tackle Sage? I'm gonna try. Yeah, see? Oh my. That feels so funny. He's slimy.
Ooh.
I like him.
Oh, he's nice, but maybe, yeah.
He comes out more if you hold him gently.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, do you know a girl at the baseball game at, I think about 3? That's how old I think she is. And you know what? She likes worms. Every girl, like Zella, remember her, my cousin?
Mm-hmm.
She's afraid of worms. She's afraid of the slime.
My granddaughter likes worms.
Who?
Brooklyn.
Morrison?
Mm-hmm.
I think my mom talked about him.
Mm-hmm. Her.
I see a fighter. It's a nice one. It might be calm. See it? Tiny one.
No.
A little more down, you might see it.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Susan, I don't think one of those tiny fish could ever bite this.
But maybe there's a bigger one down there.
There's bigger ones like. Oh, this would make a good bed for him. Susan, this would make a good bed for him.
Your backpack?
Yeah, see, he could lay on there like that.
But you don't want to leave your backpack out. I think he likes the dirt.
He makes
Oh.
Put it on the front. Front,
honey.
front yours. Oh, I wonder if I could try catching this thing. Oh, I'll see if a water squirrel was trying to eat my dog food.
Got it? Got it?
Go further out, buddy. They know you're there, though, so they're not going to come up. Nice try. Have really good eyesight.
And there's no mosquito fish in there, Mike. Oh. That's it. That's all I have. Let me see them.
Happy Thanksgiving, wormy.
I can't see the worm. I can't see the worm.
Worm, hey worm, stay right here. There.
It is as long as a snake.
Thanky day. Happy wormy and thanky day. Oh, the snake loves me. That would be gross if I kissed the girl snake.
Oh.
Sage, no. She was like, you're hanging out me? How dare you?
Yeah.
I mean, why are we putting her tail on me?
She says she didn't like that. See if you can just pet her and not wiggle your fingers. She wants to like you.
She's scared now.
I don't think it's scared.
Just like not in the mood.
There. Yeah. She's just trying to get you to do it the way she likes it.
I'm trying to brush all this stuff off. Do you think she likes it fast?
I think she likes that. She'll let you know.
Oh, do you think she likes this?
Hmm?
Just put it down and don't wiggle your fingers. Don't feed it. Feed it like this. You want to feel like. Dragon! See that? That?
It's so little, I can't even see it.
I'll get close. See it?
Sage, Sage. Sage.
Buddy, I got that.
Sage, Sage. No.
I got him.
Oh.
Like a little waterfall. Look here. Wow, now it's a waterfall. That kind of.
Good.
I know. Even though I never did a piano before, I can feel good.
Yay, Morrison. Very nice. Very nice.
Tap it fast.
Tap it fast.
Oh, there's something called a garden sink, and they actually, they're actually big and they look nice. Sage is digging up a hole.
That's fine.
The buries his bone. Susan, you know how to do this. And then there's, look, he can dive underwater.
Wait, how long can he stay? Don't keep under more than he can stay.
They can actually stay for 20 minutes
What?
underwater.
Underwater? Are you sure? But I wouldn't want him to. If he does it on his own, that's one thing. I wouldn't want you to hold him underwater.
I mean, I saw him open his eyes underwater. Did you know there's something called a duck-billed platypus?
Yeah,
A duck
that's
bill.
great.
And
Yeah.
also they have sensors. They have a sixth sensor.
Really?
The sixth sensor is actually they don't really bump into rocks, and they also they can if their mouth is closed, they can't smell, they can't hear,
Oh,
and they have a sixth sensor. That's how they don't hit the rocks.
So-
and they
so-
feed on crayfish.
wow.
I've been trying to catch a crawdad when we and I caught one. Where is the other
There's
one?
two. The other one came over in here.
Where?
It's over in here into the plants that were pulling up. Maybe that's why it came out.
No. No.
Gentle.
No. We should put this somewhere higher up.
All right.
Because Sage might eat this.
She does want it. Strange dog.
Really? No biting. They're trying to bite my finger like, what? What's that? No.
See, is that your good citizenship?
Look how like white me so much.